Yes, that's right, it happened. A couple of months ago I made a video about installing armoured cable, and so many people suggested to me, why are you stripping it with a little miniature hacksaw? Why don't you get one of those Armourslice tools? So here it is. I finally went ahead and purchased one of these. I got it for Amazon. Cost me about 30 quid. And I'm really looking forward to using it. It feels quite heavy and solid actually. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what it's like. Put a link in the description if you want to buy one yourself. And when I'm on site trying it out, I'll make another video to show you how it works. As always, it's got that annoying kind of packaging that sort of sealed shut. But essentially says that you've got 5 spare free blades in there. Somewhere at the bottom, I think, probably the spare blades are. But this is the tool. And it's really heavy, actually. I'm quite impressed. It's proper solid. And this is actually made out of metal. The whole thing basically is made out of metal. There's no plastic on it. So essentially what you do is you unscrew this. To the size that you want, you pop your armoured cable in there. So imagining that this is my armoured, you then tighten it up, and when it's tight enough you just start to rotate it around, and it will saw through not only the plastic but also the steel armouring. Just the right thickness. You see, this blade will go through just enough that it won't damage the cable, but it will saw through the armouring in a real neat way. So apparently it is up to 50% faster than using a hacksaw. Well, we'll see how that works out on site, but I would say it's definitely going to be safer at least, and it's going to be neater. I'm going to get a neater cut on it for sure. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Have you got one of these? How do you strip armoured cable? I'd love to know your comments, and as I say, I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy yourself one of these. You can get them for a really reasonable price on amazon.co.uk.